Good morning, people of God, and good day to everyone. So today we will be talking about one particular values that is very much important in our world today and very relevant. So we really need these values for us to be able to live in a more harmonized society. So for me, this values is very much important because it seems like a foundation of all values. So pag meron tayo nito, which is we are rooted with these values, we can really say na mas mag-bear fruit ito ng mas maraming values and makikita ang values within us or even in our community. So this particular values is the values of justice. So we may ask, is justice really a values? The answer is yes, because based on some sources, they said that values is both a values and a principle. But today we will be talking about a justice as a values. So when we say justice, it is a very broad idea. There are many definition of justice, but based on what I have researched, I come up with this definition like only a word. It's equality and fairness. So, ang justice, mafe-feel natin or makikita natin if people have equal treatment. Yung nararamdaman ng bawat isa na they can exercise their own rights, they can exercise their own, kung anong meron sila. They can show their skills, they can show who they are. And they were treated equally in a society despite differences in terms of religion, views, perspective, and anything. So, kumbaga, justice is about unity in diversity, equality amidst diversities, and fairness. So, it gives us the feeling of being fair with each other. So, hindi yung, for example, hindi lahat ng mayaman, mayaman lang. Hindi lahat ng mahirap, mahirap lang. Hindi lahat ng may kaya lang. So, in a world where justice foster and sa community na merong justice, makikita natin yung kahalagahan ng bawat isa. The equality of having each other despite the many differences that we had. Said that justice is one of the most important values in the spheres of law and politics. It is not just in the laws and politics, but also in us, as citizens, as one community. So justice is like a foundation, a root in order to produce many more values, just like what I've mentioned earlier. So it is also said that justice is quite simply but form the foundation of a civilized society. So sinabi rin na societies without just laws tend to be harsh and intolerant, often leading to conflict. So another one definition of justice for me is inclusivity. So yung inclusivity na yon yung everybody is welcome. Walang na left behind. And when it comes naman sa social justice and economic justice, first is economic justice. So lahat na pagbibigyan and lahat na nabibigyang pansin. And hindi lang siya nababase sa status in life para mabigyang pansin, but in all aspect, everyone is accepted and everyone is included. And when we say naman social justice, so yung mga laws and politics, mga rules, hindi lang siya dapat i-exercise para sa mga mahihirap, but also for people who had power. So lahat tayo included. Pag may nagawa tayong kasalanan, so merong justice na para sa atin. So with all of that, to make it short, justice means equality, fairness, and inclusivity. We have justice in the Bible. So, as Roman Catholic, we all know that this values is very important for us, especially that it is not just said, but also we can see this in Jesus' act. So, makikita natin ito sa action ni Jesus. But first, let us have justice in the Old Testament. So, we have here in Psalm, it says that, "Blessed are they who maintain justice, who constantly do what is right." That's Psalm 106 verse 3. And another one is from Psalm 140 verse 12, which says that, "I know that the Lord secures justice for the poor and upholds the cause of the needy. And for the last one, Proverbs 28:5. Evil men do not understand justice, but those who seek the Lord understand it fully. So that says it all. And we also have justice in the New Testament. But here in New Testament, Jesus not just put it in a way like nababasa lang natin sa isang verse, but nakikita natin ito sa kanyang way of life. Jesus shows us the right and exact definition of values through his action, and that is being fair, inclusive, and he treats everyone as his friend and neighbor. So we all know that in many parables and in many stories of Jesus, makikita natin how he break barriers. Just like for the Samaritan woman, the story of a Samaritan woman, that also is a definition and an action of showing what is really justice, na hindi lang siya nagbe-base sa kung ano ang dapat na meron doon, i-treat niya yung kagaya niya lang, but he breaks barriers to promote inclusive love. So Jesus taught the love of God and love of neighbor as oneself are the greatest commandments. So that is a form of justice. To love everyone despite differences, despite the beliefs and diversities in culture, in traditions. And it also says that in order to embrace God's kingdom, one must live according to the Beatitudes. So if you are familiar with the Beatitudes, it says that blessed are the poor, just like that. So here, I can show you the Beatitudes here. And Jesus calls us to live in justice, to live in equality, to live in fairness, and to live with inclusivity. Everyone is welcome, everyone is included, nobody left behind. So races and differences will not hinder our relationship, because justice means that we are all equal. And one most important thing that we must consider, Genesis, when God created human being, and he creates us in his own image and likeness. And that means we are all equal, we are all the same, and we are God's children. So let us all promote justice. And also, we have here the church document saying about justice. And that is Justitia in Mundo, or justice in the world. So it is written by a gathering of bishops around the world. So it deals with the issues on domination, oppression, and other forms of abuse worldwide. Christian love of neighbor cannot be separated. So that says it all. Justice is equitable, or natatapos siya sa pagmamahal or sa love. And that love is not just loving romantically, but a holistic love, a God's love. So I have two applications for justice. The first one is the justice in our own selves and the justice in the world. So first is justice, applying justice in our own selves. So first is we must think, just like what I mentioned in Genesis, that God created us in his own image and likeness. To make it fair to God, are we giving importance to ourselves? Pinapahalagahan ba natin yung sarili natin? Like, do we really appreciate ourselves for being us? Or we hate ourselves because we often do mistakes. We often do something bad, and it causes something na medyo hindi natin napapatawad yung sarili natin. So being just in ourselves is accepting our own selves. To be equal with ourselves and to be fair with sa sarili natin is to accept kung ano man yung meron tayo. Nobody has the monopoly of everything. And we must always remember that. So being just is to treat ourselves like we are beautiful, that we are God's beloved, and we are we. I am I. So we don't need to pretend to be anybody else just for others to like us and for others to get impressed sa atin. We should live to express and not to impress. Injustice within ourselves, to maintain justice and to be fair and equal with ourselves, is to accept who we are and promote self-love. And the second application is the justice in the world. So we all know how the world runs today. So we experience many issues like corruption. To have social justice is to raise our voices, to be the voice of the voiceless. So hindi lahat nararamdaman yung justice within the society and within the community. And what we should do is to protect each other's rights, because that is the biggest form of doing justice. Na being just with others means na hindi natin nalalabag yung karapatang pangtao nila and hindi natin sila nasasaktan. Equality and protecting others' rights. Being voice of the voiceless, na pinapakita natin na hindi lang tayo concerned sa sarili natin but also with other people. Because as what I have mentioned with the definition of justice, once again, it is to live in fairness, to live in equality, and to live with inclusivity. And God shows us the inclusive love. So may we all promote that kind of justice, which everyone is welcome, everyone is included, and let us promote justice in our own ways, accept ourselves, and be the voice of the voiceless. Thank you so much.